Hi, this is Jeff Tricoli again, and today I just wanted to discuss how to prepare your home for showing. So, especially in this market where interest rates have risen and we have seen more homes on the market and not as many buyers, we do want to make sure we prepare your home and also look at kind of the cost effectiveness of that. So there's definitely three things we're going to look at today. Number one being to make your repairs and any little defects, take care of that prior to listing the home. So what we try to do is just, obviously you hear the word clean and clutter free. So as much decluttering as possible. And then as much minor repairs in terms of if there's little touch-ups here and there. People are very visual. So you just want to, when they're walking around the home, you want to have the least amount of little negatives throughout the house. Not to mention with how much affordability has increased to buy a home with high interest rates, the buyers need their down payment money now and don't have as much money as they did a couple years ago to put into the home after closing. So just taking care of some of those little things, also things that may come up on the inspection report that we don't want to lose that deal. So we can certainly help walk through the home and go through some of these things as well with you. The second is staging. So I just mentioned decluttering. That staging doesn't necessarily mean we're bringing all this high-end furniture, making the home look perfect and that sort of thing. It's really taken out of a lot of stuff. So decluttering is a big thing. These touch-ups definitely help in terms of staging, making the flow of the rooms better. As I mentioned just earlier, is everybody's visual. A lot of people are visual. And if there's a nice lake view or a beautiful pool outside, we don't want anything obstructing that. We want that to be the focal point of that particular room. So a lot of times, and we can give recommendations, a lot of times it's just bringing down personal items like personal pictures. You want to make it feel like their home, not somebody else's home. And in addition, just the flow of being able to walk through the house, see all the, fine points of the home, any upgrades you may have, and also really focal point on any views that are there. So that second is definitely getting the home prepared and staged, and a lot of times just moving things out or moving things around. The third is just being prepared in terms of, I know I have children and I have a dog myself, but having animals, having children, we need to be prepared for that. So whether it's blocking off certain times during the week, figuring out what we can do to make sure, if you have time, we do appointment only, where you have time to pick up toys, maybe take the dog out, or if we have a game plan for that, because it's usually best that the buyer, and a lot of times they're either going to be with us or with their own realtor, can look through the home, discuss it, with their realtor with no distractions in terms of, dogs being around or toys laying around or that sort of thing. So the more prepared we can get in terms of that, the better. Again, we're happy to come by anytime, give all the, more pointers and more personalization just for your home. So feel free to call us, email us, go to our website, get a hold of us. We'd be happy to come out free of charge to come out, have a consultation, take a look at your home, and kind of discuss the best game plan for your particular home in terms of getting it ready for buyer showings. Thanks again. This is Jeff Tricoli. Have a great day.